Hello everybody, Mike here. We have the Cozy Coupe push car. There's a lot of parts to it. Took a little bit of time to put together. There's a little guy. He was really excited. He didn't want to wait until it was set up to hop in it. So there it is. Coming along nicely, right? Also, very important, don't use these caps on the wheels. The video that's on YouTube is incorrect. Use these metal caps on the wheels because they only give you 3. So they say to use the red caps on the wheels and on the top, but really just use those metal caps on the wheels. So there you go. Like, use all those metal caps on the wheels, right? And then you save the 2 red caps for that spot. It's very important because in the video they have 4 red caps, and I saw people complaining about that. But there it is, all set up. After you put those metal caps, you put little hub caps on the thing, red caps on it, because they already got the white hub caps. A little beeping action going there. You got a little key, right? You can use your feet to move it along, or you can push it. He seemed to really like it. Pretty popular.